In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity Scheduling for hairstylists. In order to do that, first head over to acuityscheduling.com, and then using this, you can actually use your Squarespace account in order to log into this. So for this one, just click on this Get Started if you want to create an account. It needs no credit card. So in here, once you have it, you can head over and just proceed to login. Since I already have it, here is actually my homepage. Let's just wait for this to load. Now in here, you can just head over right to your calendar and you can see what your calendar looks like. So for example, you can head over and add a new appointment right here or order. So you can just create a new website for your actual hairstyling job and you can add in here specific appointments depending on your liking. So for example, let's head over and show you what that looks like. Let's choose in here appointment. And for example, let's choose in here the appointment type. As you can see right now, the appointment type is only one-on-one and consultation. So let's head over and create a new appointment type first. Head over right here to the appointment types option and then click onto this new type of service. And into this, let's input right here the actual name. Let's input right here color and input right here the description. And then you can input right here the duration in minutes and input right here the price as well. So for example, let's input right here 2000 and input right here the category. I'll choose in here the category and let's input right here hairstyling. And you can choose here the color, the access, images, and calendars where that will be added, as well as the forms that it will get. So head over and click on create once you're done adding that. And from in there, you can head over right here into your calendar and add that specific appointment. Let's click on add new and click on appointment and then choose the appointment type. Let's choose color. You can choose in here the date and time. So for example, right now is 29th. You can choose in here for the next month. I'll choose one and choose in here the date. Let's input 10 a.m. and then input right here the client name that you wish to use right here and their actual surname, their phone and email, forms a note, and after that, click on the schedule appointment and they will be added right here into your actual calendar as a hairstylist. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.